Hi teacher, our team is composed by Jorge Quirarte, Jair Navarro, and Miguel Guevara, and we're gonna talk about the three laws of motion.
To start, who was Newton? Newton was an English physicist, theologian, inventor, alchemist, and mathematician. He established the foundations of classical mechanics through the laws that bear his name. First law of motion. This law is also known as the inertial law, because it explains that a body or an object that is at a resting state or that is seen moving will remain the same until an external force moves it. For example, when you leave a ball on the floor, it will not move, but if you kick it, you apply an external force and it will move.
Newton's second law of motion. His second law defines a force to be equal to change in momentum per change in time. So this law says that when a net force is applied to an object with x mass, there will be x acceleration. But when a bigger force is applied to an object with the same mass, there also will be more acceleration. So if bigger the force, bigger the acceleration. But when the mass of the object is bigger and we apply the same force as in the first example, we will get a minor acceleration in this object, although the force is the same, and it is caused by the mass. So we can conclude that when we have more force, we will get more acceleration. But if the mass is bigger, the acceleration will be minor.
Newton's third law, action and reaction. It says that whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. His third law states that for every action that is force in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If object A exerts a force on object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. In other words, forces result from interactions.
That's all for our part. I hope you liked our presentation and thank you for your attention.